Every day, millions of frozen pizzas begin their journey inside factories like this. Behind every frozen pizza is a carefully engineered production process. The process begins with carefully selected ingredients arriving from trusted suppliers. Precise measurements ensure every batch starts with the same quality and consistency. Industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, and salt into perfect pizza dough. Kneading develops the structure that gives pizza crust its texture and strength. The dough is allowed to rise under carefully controlled conditions. Advanced machines roll the dough to an exact thickness for every pizza. The dough is then cut into perfectly shaped pizza bases ready for topping. While the crust is prepared, fresh tomatoes begin their transformation into pizza sauce. Every tomato is thoroughly washed to meet strict food safety standards. The tomatoes are crushed and transformed into the rich base of the pizza sauce. Carefully selected herbs and spices are blended to create the signature flavor. The finished sauce is carefully controlled for texture, temperature, and taste. Now the crusts arrive at one of the most important stages of production. Advanced robotics ensure every pizza receives the perfect amount of sauce. Consistency is critical when producing millions of pizzas every year. Next comes mozzarella, one of the most recognizable ingredients in pizza production. The cheese is carefully prepared to melt evenly during cooking and reheating.
Automated systems distribute mozzarella evenly across every pizza for consistent flavor and appearance. Every gram of cheese is measured to maintain quality across millions of pizzas. For pepperoni pizzas, the toppings begin their own carefully controlled production process. Precision slicing ensures every piece cooks evenly and delivers the same flavor. Robotic systems position each topping with remarkable consistency. The arrangement of toppings is carefully controlled to ensure balanced flavor in every bite. Vegetable toppings go through the same strict quality standards before reaching the pizza line. Advanced equipment prepares thousands of kilograms of vegetables every day. Each recipe follows exact specifications to deliver a consistent customer experience. Before baking begins, every pizza passes a final topping inspection to ensure it meets factory standards. Now, the pizzas enter one of the most critical stages of production, the baking process. Carefully controlled temperatures ensure every pizza develops the perfect texture. As the dough bakes, the crust develops the structure that creates its signature bite. The heat transforms the cheese into the rich layer consumers expect from every frozen pizza. Multiple heating zones allow precise control throughout the baking cycle. Quality checks continue throughout production to ensure every pizza meets strict standards. Once baking is complete, the pizzas move immediately to the cooling stage. Rapid cooling prevents overcooking and prepares the pizzas for freezing. The freezing process locks in freshness, flavor, and quality for long-term storage. Inside the freezing tunnel, temperatures drop rapidly to preserve freshness and texture. Flash freezing helps maintain flavor while protecting the structure of every ingredient. Precise temperature control ensures every pizza freezes evenly from edge to center. After freezing, each pizza is carefully inspected before packaging begins. Automated vision systems verify appearance and consistency across every pizza. Once approved, the pizzas move to fully automated packaging systems. Every box contains important information about ingredients, nutrition, and preparation. Modern packaging lines can process thousands of pizzas every single hour. Tracking codes allow every pizza to be traced throughout the supply chain. The finished pizzas are stacked and prepared for storage before distribution begins. After packaging, the pizzas enter temperature-controlled warehouses designed to preserve quality. Advanced logistics systems track the location of every pallet in real time. Sophisticated software helps coordinate millions of pizzas moving through the supply chain. Automation improves efficiency while maintaining strict temperature requirements. Once distribution orders arrive, shipments are prepared for transportation. Maintaining the cold chain is essential throughout every stage of transport. From the factory, refrigerated trucks carry frozen pizzas across entire regions and countries. Regional distribution centers help deliver products quickly to retailers. Each shipment is sorted and routed according to retailer demand. After a carefully controlled journey, the pizzas finally arrive at supermarkets. After weeks of production and distribution, the pizzas finally reach supermarket freezers. Now the decision passes to the customer, choosing from countless options. Packaging communicates everything from ingredients to cooking instructions. With a simple scan, the journey from factory to customer is complete. But the final stage of the process is only just beginning. Stored at freezing temperatures, the pizza remains ready whenever it is needed. When the moment arrives, the frozen pizza begins its final transformation. Everything prepared inside the factory has been designed for this moment. A few minutes of heat will unlock months of manufacturing and preparation. The carefully engineered ingredients now begin their final cooking process. Heat awakens the flavors that were preserved during freezing. The same ingredients prepared in the factory now come together inside the kitchen. Within minutes, a frozen product becomes a hot and ready meal. The goal of the entire manufacturing process is simple: delivering convenient meals to millions of families. From simple ingredients to a meal enjoyed around the world, this is the incredible journey of how frozen pizza is made. Thanks for watching.